the next phase of the journey is climbing altitude, right? From there to you becoming building one of the largest businesses in India. What were some of the key decisions that helped you reach that scale?
So one, of course, was to stay focused because we stayed focused on pharmaceutical and then we realized that selling to specialists is a business we understand better. So we stayed focused on our business and our focus was rather than looking at the top line, we want to look at our share of prescription in psychiatry, neurology, cardiology, and all of that. So we always evaluated our performance based on share of prescription that we get. The second, I think, the important decision that we took, which helped the business, is invested in R&D. So in 19, I think we kind of anticipated that India will sign and the patents will apply in India. So rather than waiting for it to come and hit us, we say that we'd set up R&D so that we can compete in a different market. So that helped us grow, and I think our success in research has been an important contributor to our growth. That we went public in 94, and that's when we raised around 55 crore rupees. We were valued at around 200 crore rupees. So that gave us the money, that is the money that we used for buying a few businesses. We also invested in a US company, and I think that kind of created a virtuous cascade.
I want to ask about R&D. So it's slightly unrelated to your core business, but if you look at generally, US has ChatGPT, and Rupert and I were discussing China has come up with DeepSeek and a lot of other AI models. So one of the common discussions that we have is, are we doing enough on R&D? Have you thought about that as a country? How far are we in terms, or near are we in terms of R&D?
No, I think whatever we are doing, we can do more. And we should seriously look at how can we do more. The challenge for us in pharmaceutical business is that we are in a price controlled business. And if we have greater clarity on long-term pricing, long-term cash flow, then it will, because R&D in our business will produce result after 8-10 years. So you need to be able to continue to focus on it best. But if you're successful, then I'm sure some companies, including our company, will be successful, then the returns will justify the risk and the investment.
Are you by any chance doing any research on weight loss drugs like Zepbound? That's a big thing in the US. So I'm really waiting for something like that.
No, interesting. We have a weight loss product in phase 2, and depending on how you look at the data, but I think our assessment is to give a very competitive profile of our product. But it will need to complete the phase 2. It will have to go to phase 3. So we're looking at least 3-4 years to come to market.
That's a lot of diet control and exercise till that.